Welcome to Just in the Kitchen. I ate her. I'm Winifred Sanderson. I hope you like Hocus Pocus because today I am going to make magic with Mummy Meatloaf. I found a young boy and I ground him up and I am making a meatloaf, and then I'm going to mummify him so he will last as long as I will. Now let's get to the ingredients. First, we have the young boys. One is beef and one is pork, and I ground them up. I don't even need my potion book because I know it by heart, and it is so yummy. So, in order to make this, I need to add the eggs of Binks. And then I ground up the dust from the graves of old bones. We have some onions and some garlic. I can have garlic and Dracula cannot. We have some blood. We have some brains. Now, I will magically put this on that horrible site, www.justinthekitchen.com. We also have some milk and some bread. This is so I can get Binks to come and I can finally do away with them. I just take a little milk and I pour it in there and I make my bread soggy. This is so good. Oh, I must not get my dress dirty. It has to last for hundreds of years. Oh, I'm letting my milk get into my bread. And while I do this, I am going to saute the onions and the garlic. So now I'm going to put in my onions and saute them. And I want them as see-through as a ghost. Putting in my garlic, which will protect them from the dark Dracula. It will make the mummy taste so much better. Then I will take them off and let them cool. Now to mix up my mummy. I took the bread and I soaked it in the milk. And then I got it all mushy. It reminds me of the time I tried to kill my sister's boyfriend. Then I add the 3 eggs, my bread crumbs, and I have a little Worcestershire sauce. Add in the tomatoes, add in the onions, and the garlic. Then we're going to add in some of the ketchup. Make sure to mix it well or the potion will not work. Hocus pocus. The magic of it all. It's done. Poof. Now I am wrapping the mummy. And these are phyllo sheets. Yes, we had them in the past. buttering the phyllo. And then I will make my man. Ha! I don't need a man. I can make my own man. And I form him whatever way I want. I want him to have arms. I want him to have a full body. He can't be skinnier than I. And I put him on a rack so he doesn't sit in his own blood. You make him like you want him. Remember, this is your man. And I fold. And I put butter on him. He loves butter as much as I do. Butter, butter, butter. Butter is better when it goes on a man. I have him on parchment so I can easily lift my man. So I cut it in inch strips to make him nice and pretty. Put one around his head so his head doesn't catch a cold. Just keep putting strips on him until he looks so perfect. Add a little butter. And there's no particular way that he likes to be covered. He just wants to be completely covered. So when I put him in the oven, he doesn't scorch. We are going to put him in the oven. Soon he will be ready for eating. Look at my little mummy. Isn't he adorable? We have little pumpkins made out of sweet potato mash, and we have mashed potatoes. Yay! But look at this. This flies like the mummy. He's old and it's flitting off of him. So I hope you make this for your family. They're gonna love it. Mummy meatloaf and mashed potatoes. Very easy. If you want to know, just ask me, I'll tell you. You can make it out of any potatoes in a piping bag. Same with the sweet potatoes. This I just used, it's a clove, whole clove, put in there. And then these are peppercorns for its eyes. Very, very, very easy. I can tell you how to make them if you need. Just put a comment down below and let me know. For this recipe, go to www.justinthekitchen.com for this recipe and all the others. I hope you had as much fun as I have. Remember to share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Facebook page. I have a page that is Just in the Kitchen with Justine. So make sure you like both of them and share them. Let your friends know. But isn't this just the coolest? I remember seeing it one time. They did it with cheese, I think. And I thought, well, cheese, let's make a meatloaf. So there we go. A wonderful fall Halloween dish. God bless. Have a great day. Bye-bye.